Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पहिली मिटिंगेन जे डायरेक्शन दिल्ले ते डायरेक्शनाचो मॅडमीन रिव्यू घेतलो टू सी वॉट इज द लेवल ऑफ इम्प्लिमेंटेशन आनी डायरेक्शनूय दिल्ल्या डिपार्टमेंटाक जे डिपार्टमेंट्स आसा नोडल ऑफिसर्स तांकां डायरेक्शन दिल्या पंचायत म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन WRD PWD की जे कांय सिवील वर्क्स तांचे चालू आसा रोड्स आहेत ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक डायरेक्शन दिवपाक लायला की ते काम जाल्या उपरांत जे डेब्री आसा तो परत तांणी रिस्टोर करपाचो सो दॅट कांय मिसहॅप जायना. सेकंडली डेप्युटी कलेक्टर्स आर डायरेक्टेड टू एन्श्युअर की कंट्रोल रूम्स आर फंक्शनींग. आमचे तालुका कंट्रोल रूम्स आर फंक्शनींग 24/7 आनी कोणाक जर कितें डिझास्टराची डिफिकल्टी आसा और कितें एसिस्टन्स जाय जाल्यार आमचो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल रूम आनी आमचे तालुका लेवल कंट्रोल रूम्स.
So we have taken a review meeting of all the line department who are undertaking work under disaster management. We broadly discussed about the desilting of Nala work, then what action has been taken in the landslide prone area. Undertake this desilting of nalas and gutter work. So I think because of that we had in some areas some amount of flooding and all, especially in Salsett Taluka. So we have given direction to the BDOs and the chief officers to ensure that the work is being done on priority and quickly. Now we have told them to finish it quickly, not to take too much time and to do the whatever work there quickly.